Oh, baby! You gotta love it. Somebody save that puck. Deep Cavalieri's pass almost picked off right there, but Carolina's got control of it. Here's Rowe. Far side it comes. Here comes Gus Ford with speed. Drops it back for Rowe. Shoots. Score! And he popped the bottle of the boot. Lucas Rowe.
You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept. I got a new attitude and a lease on life is a peace of mind. Seeking to find I can sleep when I die. Want a piece of the pie, got the keys to the ride and shit. I'm straight. I'm on my way. Get up my way. I'm running late. What can I say? I heard you died twice. Once when they bury you in the grave, and the second time is the last time that somebody mentions your name. So when I leave here on this earth, did I take more than I gave? Did I look out for the people, or did I do it all for fame? Legend is Exodus, searching for euphoria, judging through the mud to find the present, no ignoring. I got 20,000 deep up in the street like we some warriors. My mama told me never bow your head.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am, I couldn't forget. I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunlight. Now I feel glorious, glorious.
Carolina leads it. Now moves over again. Pastuca puts the lock. 2-on-1. Pastuca scores! There it is! The 100th career professional goal for Yuri Pastuca.
Ready, we ready for ya.